September 3rd, 2019. Senior. Omexav, wake up. My video earlier, but the battery was dead. But now I'm in Giant trying to find some candy. Oh, they have a new Swedish fish. Look at this. They have a new Swedish fish. Alright, let's start this over because I gotta do my intro. Okay, good morning guys. Wait, let's fix this lighting. Good morning guys, welcome back to the lifestyle. Today is my first day of school and I don't know what I'm doing. I just want to say, vlogging by yourself, so weird. I think I'm going to Chick-fil-A by myself because my friend's not here yet. And of course I take Metro and I like to get on the early bus so I get here before everyone. Neither do I want to wait in any Chick-fil-A lines. So yeah, I'm just gonna go there, then go to the school. I don't know what's wrong with me. I feel like today is my first day of high school, not my last year of high school. I don't know why I feel so nervous. I just feel like everybody's watching me vlog right now. I'm using my sister's tripod so it's a little bit bigger. Oh my God. Thank you. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I feel like I've never done YouTube before. I just feel everything just feels so fresh. The whole freaking marching band is outside.
My mom said the marching band is probably welcoming the students.
Don't nobody need to be welcomed.
I'll saw them with the parents.
Look at these fools. I'm so lucky I'm family friendly and I can't curse on this channel.
I look like I came home, watching Netflix.
Yeah, but now you here.
It's your first class.
No, I mean, it's in this way, but I know there's no people down here, so I walk this way. Damn it, Miguel, I can hate you. You didn't warn me at all.
Hey, Miguel.
Yeah, I have every reason to hate you at this point.
No, you.
Yeah, I do.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, you did. It's officially lunchtime. I'm not going in that lunchroom. There's too many people in there.
You recording?
Yes, I am.
Alright, give me the camera.
I just wrapped it around my hand. It's a lot of work to take it back off.
Tell me about the day.
This day sucked. Oh my god.
From minute one, it was just bad.
Okay, from day one, from minute one, like as soon as I walked in, too many people.
Not too
Second
many
thing I
people, too
noticed,
many bad people.
Second thing I noticed, everyone had on the same outfit. And then my teacher said, everybody who like picked out their outfit and was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be fire on the first day. He was like, everybody else thought that was gonna be a fire outfit too. And I was like, yeah, people thought that about this outfit because everyone wore it. Was Miss Palmieri ever here? I don't think she was here. She's probably in Guatemala. I'm thinking about vlogging tomorrow since, you know, it's like first day of A-day classes, first day of B-day classes. But Mark wants to take pictures tomorrow because we didn't take any today. It's good that we didn't take any today because I already have a picture of this outfit.
You grew it on your Twitter.
What?
Like, I saw your tweet. You were gonna rate outfits.
Yeah.
Okay, so rate mine.
You basic ass.
You know what? I went to that parking lot alone.
Hold this.
Today sucked.
Yes, it did.
It
Today
really
was terrible.
It
You
sucked.
tell the camera how much it sucked.
Alright guys, my turn. It's my turn. So let me tell you, from minute one, freak, I'm not used to like talking on camera. Minute one, we walk in, bad people everywhere. Bad teachers, we got here late, bad teachers, bad students. Like Xavier was here like 5 in the morning, bro. I got bad teachers, bad students that moved away and somehow just moved back.
Oh my god, that's such a...
Get a load of this guy.
But I mean, like, she's not gonna watch this video, you know.
You never know.
A whole bunch of people that rejected us just walking the halls.
This guy stinks!
You, huh?
Yeah.
Hi guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's mine, Nicole. It's mine.
This first day of school, guys, was honestly terrible. This looks like such a good setting right here. I could just sit here and talk every day while I wait for the bus. She has a flat tire. Does she know that? I could literally hear it.
Yeah, I know.
I was too shy to speak today, so I didn't speak at all. Kind of just sat in every class, took it in, looked at all the people. Probably gonna do the same thing tomorrow. And some odd reason, the class separated themselves, boy and girl. Girls on one side, boys on one side. Me, when I went to every class, I just looked for, where's the outlet? So I need to be sitting close to an outlet. Ended up sitting on the side next to soccer players, one thug, Spanish dude, and I think that's about it.
Friends, I can name 3 right off the bat. The gang's all here. Oh!
Alrighty. Good morning, guys. It is day 2. I figured I'd record today since it's the first day of my B-day. And you know, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record in school, you know, because that is an odd type of bug. Because why am I losing my thought process? don't know if I'm gonna record in school because, you know, yesterday, first of all, didn't feel comfortable talking to my camera in front of everybody. Normally people will record on their phone and just, you know, whisper in their headphone mic. I'm not doing that. My camera's low-key running out of space. So when I'm in a chill class today, like today my classes are better. That's why I say I might record in class, just a little bit. But hopefully in like a chill class I can move some of my clips to on my phone and, you know, save some storage on my SD card for my camera because I'm running out of space. Right now I'm headed to Chick-fil-A because I'm hungry. I didn't even eat the Chick-fil-A I had yesterday. Hopefully I eat today's. Today feels like a lot better day than yesterday. Yesterday I felt sick. Like, I've never been so nervous about the first day of school in my life. And I never took a first day of school picture. I figured more today would be my first day because I like B-days more and this outfit is way better. And yesterday everybody was wearing the same outfit and I was like, yeah, no, I look like I go to a uniform school and I have to wear yellow and black along with everyone else in the school. The same cashier's working from yesterday. She's gonna be like, can I be in the video this time? I'll see you guys when I get out. Chick-fil-A never fails to have a quick service. And it was the same lady as yesterday. So like, first of all, she had my food before I even ate. I was like, dang, what if I didn't have enough? And she said hi, like, she remembers me from yesterday. I'm pretty sure I'm the only black dude that walked in there with this big tripod, big camera, getting Chick-fil-A at 6:30 in the morning or whatever. Hey look, there goes Seamus. Ha, he's in a Beetle. That's his car, that's it. Yo, that's him. That's funny. His car is loud, oh my gosh. And I'm about to walk. Okay, second day fit, okay. I need a mic low key.
Where's she going?
It's lunchtime and I just left, what, third period? And nobody's trying to go down there, so yo, back on the channel. And Miles back. I made a tutorial whole for you and you didn't follow it. You don't have to cut your hair.
Doing anything but whatever the hell he decides he want to do. Don't do anything. I was trying to get you on that one beat.
Copyright. Oh, this is a song. Alright y'all, we just did our photo shoot. First day of school, basically. We're not counting yesterday as the first day of school because yesterday sucked. And I didn't even wear like an original outfit yesterday. Let's see, today's note. I feel like I'm darker now. I think the sun just burned me. But today, dang, all this wind is blowing. Let's see if you guys can still hear me. I'm gonna talk anyway. Today wasn't any better, lol. It's still just school. I don't know. I went to Chick-fil-A. I got to school. And yeah, pretty simple, you know.